Do you ever find yourself buying a VFD and only using about 20% of the key features? The WEG CFW500 solves this problem, allowing you to build your drive to your specific application. With this drive, you won't be paying for features that you're not using. Hey there, Keith here with eMotors Direct. Today, let's talk about WEG's CFW500 variable frequency drives. This is not your standard VFD, and I'll walk you through the key features. These drives are perfect for OEMs, retrofitters, panel installers, and end users who want added value and advanced motor control for their application. Some of the most common expansions for the WEG CFW500 are the I/O expansion module, which provides additional analog and digital inputs and outputs for enhanced modularity and flexibility. There are also expansions for field bus communication module, relay outputs, brake resistors, remote control panels, and more. This makes the CFW500 adaptable for a range of applications and industries, ideal for everything from conveyors to pumps and fans. The WEG software allows for offline configuration, saving time during installation. Once you've downloaded the software, you can program this VFD from your office or even your home. And the CFW500 supports a bunch of pump-specific features and modes through a WEG Pump Genius software. This feature is tailored specifically for optimizing multi-pump systems, improving efficiency, reducing energy consumption, and streamlining control and monitoring. Although it's relatively easy to set up, the CFW500 line is built for applications needing advanced motor control and precision. More than your standard drive, it offers soft PLC functionalities, allowing for seamless communication between the drive, the motor, and the application. This interactivity lets you customize logic and applications, making it a highly adaptable solution at an excellent price point. With an energy-saving mode and a high efficiency in variable load applications, the CFW500 helps reduce operational cost over time, meeting Canadian energy standards for motor efficiency levels. This means your motors are consuming less energy and are decreasing your monthly energy bills. Designed and manufactured in Brazil, the CFW500 meets the highest standards with both CUL and CE approvals. Plus, it comes standard with a 1-year warranty, ensuring you're covered right from the start. If you have experience with the CFW500, leave a comment and let us know what your favorite feature is. To find the perfect VFD for your setup, just enter your motor's horsepower, input voltage, output voltage, and input phase into the eMotors Direct website. Find all the available expansions right on the product page and customize your drive for your application. Or, if you need a hand, our team of technical specialists is here to help you find the right VFD for your specific needs. If you're tired of paying for features that you're not using, the WEG CFW500 VFD from eMotors Direct may be a good fit for you. Follow us for more updates and to be notified when we post our next video. Next, we're covering the WEG W22 severe duty line of motors. Thanks for watching. See you next time.